Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Sewing channel. Now we are going to make different types of leaves with a satin ribbon. Without delay, let's get started. Here I am taking 1.5 inch width satin ribbon having length 7 centimeters. As shown in the video, fold the ribbon. Give a heat touch up at the center to join them together as shown in the video. Shown here, give a heat touch up at the corner. Now take another same piece. Place the two pieces as one over the other as shown in the video. And trim out the extra part. And give a heat touch up as shown here. With the help of the plucker, give a heat touch up. Now take needle with thread, give a running stitch as shown here. After completion of stitching, pull the thread to form the gathers. To secure the formed gathers, give a hand stitch as shown here and trim out the extra thread. Give a heat touch up to prevent the raw threads. Now beautiful leaf is ready. Now let's start another leaf. For that I am taking one ribbon piece having width 3.5 centimeters and length 4.5 centimeters. Half fold the ribbon lengthwise as shown here. Give a curved cut to form the leaf shape as shown here. Now open the fold and give a heat touch up around the leaf shape. If you observe most of the leaves, there are multiple lines on it and some impressions. To form that lines and impressions, follow as shown in the video. Let's start another type of leaf. For that I am taking the ribbon piece which is having width 2.5 centimeters and length 15 centimeters. Give a heat touch up at the edges to prevent the raw threads. Fold the ribbon into widthwise into half. Give a corner cut as shown in the video. Now give a heat touch up to the corners to join them with the help of the plucker as shown in the video. After joining, take the needle along with thread and give a running stitch as shown in the video. After completion of running stitch, pull the thread as shown here to form the gathers. As shown here, give a hand stitch. Give a heat touch up to prevent the raw threads. Now third type of beautiful leaf is ready. Let's start another type of leaf. That I am taking the ribbon piece which is having 2.5 width and length 12 centimeters. Give a heat touch up to the edges. Now fold the ribbon widthwise into half. Cut the diagonally as shown here. With the help of the plucker, join the two pieces diagonally by giving heat touch up as shown in the video. Form the gathers at the bottom as shown here. With the help of the plucker, give a cut. And then give heat touch up. Now fourth type of simple leaf is ready. Now let's start another type of leaf. For that I am taking two ribbon pieces, each ribbon piece having width 1.5 centimeters and length 3 centimeters. Now take the two ribbons together. With the help of the plucker, join them together by giving heat touch up as shown here. And give a curved cut as shown here to form the leaf shape. Now give a heat touch up around the leaf as shown in the video. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe our channel. Now fifth type of beautiful leaf is ready. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.